I'm Jennifer Walker Gates with Walker Gates Vela, immigration and criminal attorneys in Austin and San Antonio, Texas. I am here today to talk about what happens in an initial consult with Walker Gates Vela. A lot of people who don't know us may wonder whether it makes sense to sign up and pay for that initial consultation. And so I want to answer some questions about what happens and what you get out of having that initial consultation with our firm. Now, we don't typically do paid initial consultations with individuals who are in a detention kind of situation. Those detention emergencies get dealt with a different way. And if you have someone who is in detention, either because of a criminal arrest or because of an arrest by immigration agents, we want you to call our emergency hotline. And those numbers, we actually have two, one which is a toll-free number that can be called without charge from anywhere in the United States, and another that is a local Austin number that you can send a text message to. Both of those get answered after hours and on weekends, so that if you do have an emergency that comes up, we can meet with you, talk to you, help you understand what we're up against and what is likely to happen. And then if it makes sense to move forward, we provide you the information and the ability to do that with us. Those phone numbers, the emergency phone numbers, are front and center at the top of our website, which is walkergatesvela.com. So if you do have a detention situation, please go to our website and please contact us through our emergency number. If you're not in an emergency detention situation and you have questions about whether you are eligible for immigration benefits or whether you are eligible to defend yourself against deportation, then you need to get on our calendar and have your case analyzed in a paid consultation with one of our attorneys. When you do that, the attorney is going to meet with you, and the first thing they're going to do is try to answer a series of questions designed to let that attorney know whether you are eligible under current law for an immigration benefit, either in the court or outside the court with USCIS or one of the immigration agencies. They are going to dial right into that information as quickly as possible to ascertain whether you're eligible and what would be involved in your case. If you are eligible for any kind of immigration benefit, then the attorney is going to explain what that process is, what it looks like, how long it takes, what the steps are, and what we would charge for that case, as well as how our payment plan would break down. We offer a payment plan to almost all of our clients, which allows us to be affordable to as many immigrants as possible. So if you are eligible, that is what the attorney will do, is provide you an overview of the process and the price. If you're not eligible, this is also really, really important information to know. We definitely do not want any immigrant in the United States to fall prey to unscrupulous practitioners who will just take your money and either do nothing or, even worse, file something for you when you're not eligible and potentially jeopardize your future case, subject you to a finding of fraud or any kind of risk of being brought to the attention of ICE or other enforcement authorities. We definitely don't want people subjected to that kind of unscrupulous practitioners. So we let people know if they're not eligible for immigration benefits under current law, why they're not eligible, what provision of law is in play in their case, what would need to change to make them eligible. Now, that could be a change in their own personal circumstances. For example, they may need to get married. They may need to allow their child to grow to a certain age. There may need to be another family member that gets their status corrected first and files paperwork for them. There could be any number of things that could, in that person's life, shift to allow them to become eligible for an immigration benefit in the future. Or it may be that they simply need a change in the law to become eligible for an immigration benefit in the future. Either way, the third situation where they may become eligible for immigration benefits in the future, it could be that an arrest or detention by ICE or being placed in deportation proceedings in the court is the only way under current law that they're going to find a window in our very closed immigration system toward getting legal status. So regardless of the situation, we will provide you with that knowledge and information so that you know what needs to shift in order for me to become eligible. We also, if a person doesn't have lawful status, we provide them all of our the emergency contact information that I described at the beginning of this video, so that if you do have a detention emergency, you know how to get in touch with us. We also collect all of your basic data and your immigration history, your criminal history, your family situation, and we save that in our database so that if you do have an emergency in the future, we already have some familiarity with your case. We're going to know what kind of documentation we're going to be able to get and how to best help you. So those are the things, those are the benefits, the preliminary benefits of having a consultation with us are knowledge. Knowledge is power. Finally, everyone who meets with us gets the email address and the direct phone number of the attorney that they meet with, so that if you have follow-up questions, something changes, or you have any kind of other issue, someone that you need to help or anything like that in the future, you can reach out to us via our phone or email. You can send us a text message, you can call us or email us at any time in the future and ask your question, make that referral, request assistance, whatever it may be. So I hope that that helps clarify the value of a consultation with us. We are committed to helping as many immigrants as possible continue to contribute to this country to their fullest potential. This country is what it is because of you, because of your contributions. You are our families, you are our communities, and we are eager to help. So please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Go to our website, walkergatesvela.com. There you can simply click to call us or get right directly onto our calendar for an assessment. I hope that this has helped answer your questions. You may also feel free to leave us a comment below this video. We're always happy to respond to those as well. And we look forward to learning about you, your case, your family, and your future aspirations in this country. Thank you. Have a great day.